Okay. You're welcome, boo. No problem. Sound like they playing spades. Oh, hurry up. We got something to tussle about. Oh, shit. Okay, let me hurry up. Okay. Y'all, hold on. Y'all got to wait to tussle for like an hour. I got a lot of stuff that got to go in here. Hold on. Tell them don't host no lives till I get off, okay? We're going to be demure over here. We're going to tussle later.
Did you tell Dad to get some?
I think I'm going to tell Angel to order some pizza.
Angel? Oh, I'm going to go.
I don't know, girl. I'm wondering just like you is. Hell, I'm tussling for you.
I got...
Oh!
Mom, I got the $5.
Hold on, let me see. Where I need to pull up at, Bree?
We just got tired.
Matter of fact, no, I'm not going to tussle right now.
I'll get your next track.
Y'all know I'm not scared of no smoke, okay? But we being demure today, y'all. Let's not...
Mama. I was going to ask if me and Princess could get both boxes. Now I think he's taking on the...
No, they sent $5 for y'all.
No.
All right. Y'all leave it alone. I'm not trying to do that in here tonight. I just want them to enjoy the live tonight. No tussling, no quiet. So I'm just gonna have to do a little 1-2. You feel me?
This is bringing the peace.
But I'm gonna just chill right now, and we're gonna enjoy the mother loving squeezes. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank y'all for tapping that screen.
Thank y'all for the...
Let's continue the ASMR. Yes, I already told you I would. Stop asking me questions that you already know the answer to while I'm on live. Thank you. Okay. Y'all go on upstairs, please.
All right, Mom.
Thank you.
What's wrong with Princess?
She was reading the chat. That's why I told her to go on upstairs because she done got mad.
I want to get some drama. I love drama. It made me happy.
No, y'all. King was picking and somebody was like, and I was like, I give y'all 5 for whoever went Uno, because I was trying to like distract him because my kids really do enjoy chatting with y'all while I'm on live. But then somebody in the chat was like, I sent $5 for King. And then somebody said they sent 5 for Princess. And then I was picking and I was like, y'all stop begging for $5 on live. They're going to think that y'all need, that we over here broke and y'all need $5. But whatever. Of course, everything get drugged on here. So, but it's all right. Make sure y'all got all the screenshots.
I can show some bands right now.
So when I'm ready to turn up later, it'll be valid. Thank you. Yes, I do use recycled powder. I'm not a fan, but I use it because other people like it. Anywho, back to the ASMR. So, are y'all enjoying the squeezes, you guys? I'm having a good time. Thank y'all so much for being here. I do appreciate everybody popping out and supporting. Y'all put a big dent in my stash I'm like, Lord, I thought I was gonna have way more stuff left. I'm gonna have to get more stuff. We actually come for your squeezes. Thank you. Buddy, can you give me some type of slides to put on my feet? I need some stability. A little cushion. Huh? What, baby? No YouTube, but yes.
OG Pops. Yes. Pops go.
See if he gonna stop and get y'all some food.
OG Pops.
Tell him I'm still on live. Going upstairs with your phone. Go. Tell him what I said.
Huh? I don't got my phone. I just got it because you just...
It was sitting right here beside me, babe.
It was sitting beside Mom.
He don't have his phone.
No, she not. She didn't order it yet. He said just order pizza.
Order some pizza? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm usually asleep before the sun's gone. I keep an old candy coated Valentine. Memories of you.
Refrigerator.
Yeah, it's still a lot to go in. I'm about to take some out. A finest dream. I love when you start singing hymns. You will be. It's going straight down the drain, babe, because we got so much more to go in. Sing to me. Hey. And I'll choose you again.
OG Pops.
Oh yeah, we can do the music trivia game. That'd be fun. A finest dream. Thank you, son. Drop them. Thank you, buddy. Oh, yes, Lord.
What? Yeah. Alright. He said he wanted thin crust chicken.
He want a thin crust chicken pizza? Okay.
I gotta go tell him.
Is Angel ordering the pizza?
How's Angel gonna order?
Tell her to get my Cash App card out my pocketbook. Or my PayPal card. Let's We're blessed in the city. We're blessed in the spirit. We're blessed when we come and when we go. We have found every sickness and poverty must cease, for the devil is defeated. We are blessed.